Hi, Cat. Cat, what is your name? And what do you do for fun, Cat? It's very interesting, Cat. You're very interesting. What do you like to eat for fun? What do you eat for fun? No attacking the camera. So, what else do you do besides chase Mass around the room? And that's very interesting. And, do you like to do this all day? I need an answer, Cat. No, do not lick the interviewer. Turn back this way. Hey, do not get testy with me. I will pinch your head. Will you stop licking me? Stop it. Look at me. Hey, what do you like to do for fun? No, you attack.